Downloading apps on Vizio TV without the V button.
Welcome to the tutorial on how to download apps on your Vizio TV, even without the V button. Sometimes the simplest tasks can seem complex, but don't worry, we'll walk you through the process step by step.
What is the V button?
The V button is a shortcut button on some Vizio TV remotes to directly access the SmartCast home screen. However, not all remotes have this button. But you can still navigate to the SmartCast home screen using a different way.
How to access the SmartCast home screen?
First, turn on your Vizio TV. Then, press the Menu or Home button on your Vizio TV remote. This will open the menu or home screen on your TV. Navigate to the SmartCast option using the arrow buttons on your remote, and then press the OK or Select button.
How to download apps on SmartCast?
Once you're on the SmartCast home screen, use the arrow buttons to navigate to the App Store or Get More Apps option. Once you've reached the App Store, you can browse through a wide variety of apps. Use the arrow buttons to select the app you want to download and press the OK or Select button. In the app's description page, look for the Install or Download option. Once you find it, press OK or Select.
Is my desired app available?
Please note that Vizio TVs run on a specific operating system that may not support all apps. If you can't find your desired app, it might not be supported on Vizio's platform. That's it. By following these steps, you can download apps on your Vizio TV without needing the V button. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you can now enjoy more apps on your Vizio TV. Thanks for watching.